In today's video, I just want to show you a quick little sugar cookie that you can make with 3 ingredients. This one comes together so quick. Look at this sugar cookie and watch when I break this in half. Oh, it is the perfect thing to have with your morning coffee. I hope you come along with me and let me show you how I put this together. I just want to start out by measuring my flour, and I just want to show you real quick. I like to do it with grams. Each cup of flour is 120 in grams. I'm going to take 1 cup of flour and weigh that and show you how easy it is to overuse flour. Like, not overuse it, but use too much is what I'm trying to say. Watch when I dump this in and look at how much it is. That's 1 cup. That should be 120 grams of flour. And it is not 120. I'm trying to see. 140. 148 is 148. That should be 120. So that's how easy it is to put too much flour in stuff. I just like to point that out. So for this recipe, I'm going to need 240 grams of flour. Now I need 2 sticks of butter. I'm going to put them in the microwave and melt them. I'm going to grab my mixer for this one, and I'm going to put the butter, the melted butter, in there. Scrape that all down, get that in there. And then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. And then once it's blended well, I'm going to start adding my flour a little bit at a time until it's gone. I am going to turn the mixer up a little higher and get that mixed up really well. That looks good. I think I will stop it there. Go ahead and get as much off the beaters as I can. This dough is pretty soft right now, so what I want to do is take some plastic wrap and I want to put it on the plastic wrap. I'm going to wrap it up into a roll and I'm going to put it in a refrigerator. That way when it comes time to put the cookies on the cookie sheet, I can just slice them with a knife. I want to quickly just show you this. This is so nice. You can take your plastic wrap and just cut any size you want anyway. I will leave a link if you're interested. This makes just the right amount of cookies for us. It doesn't make a lot. You could always double the batch if you wanted to. Also, I just want to add this cookie. Now, I don't put frosting on this. I kind of like it plain, but if you would like a little frosting, you could definitely do that. You could also add in some flavorings. You know, it's just whatever you want to use. I kind of like the fact that there's only 3 ingredients and it comes together quick. Here, I just want to try to get it into a roll the best I can, just kind of undoing the plastic and reapplying it. And once I feel I have it really good, I'm going to wrap it up good and I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator. It really doesn't take that long for it to get hard. I think it was about 1 or 2 hours. I went into my sewing room and started sewing, and by the time I got a little project done, this was ready to cut up and put in the oven. This would work good if you wanted to put it in the freezer and save it for another time too. I am going to sprinkle just a little bit of sugar on top of each one. You just want to bake them until they're golden brown. Mine took about 12 minutes. Once they cool a little bit, I do like to put them over on the cooling rack and just let them be there for a little bit until they're nice and cool. I want to take one of the cookies and just break it apart so you can see the inside of these and how nice they brown on the bottom. These are so good. They're so quick. They don't have a lot of flavor, which I kind of like. That works well for me, but you could definitely do so many things with this cookie by adding a splash of this or that. I hope you give this cookie a try, and if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I want to thank you for watching.